Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. It's my producer, editor, and also my dog, Sophie. That's her buddy, Fred, right there. And like I said, Sophie is my producer and editor if this is your first time. So, when she edits these videos, she likes to make fun of me. So if you see any text on the bottom, going across the bottom or top of the screen, those come from Sophie. She likes to poke fun at me. But she does such a good job producing and editing, I just let her do it. I just let her do it. Okay, so we are starting the Christmas season, so this is exciting. So today, I always like to do this at least once or twice during the season just to see how it turns out. We are gonna make a pre-packaged cookie mix. It is the Sally Sugar Cookie Kit from the Nightmare Before Christmas. I always like to try these to see if they're edible or even worth your time. Yes, the Sally Sugar Cookie Kit. Looks like it has a paper doll in the back. So yeah, let's see. I haven't really looked at this to see what I need. Hopefully I have everything here. But it's exciting. Very exciting for me. Even more so for Sophie. So let's get started. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. We're gonna try Box Cookie Kit, Sally Sugar Cookie Kit from Disney's The Nightmare Before Christmas. All right, so we have Maleficent and Bouncy the Bunny to help us out here. So let's open this box up and see what in the heck is in here. Sorry, Bouncy. Okay. See what? Oh, there's 0. All right. I have no idea what I'm getting into with this. So let's see. All right. Looks like some kind of a flower. Oh, these must be the cookie mixes. So you got 3 different colors. That's what it is. And then your black icing will make the stitching. Okay, so yeah, you got 3 different colors: yellow, pink, and teal. Interesting. All right, so looks like I have to mix these up. Here, let's read the directions. I'll show you guys here. So it looks like in 3 separate mixing bowls, add 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 tablespoons water, and 1 cookie mix. Mix well and knead to form smooth dough. You have 3 separate cookie colors. Okay. Looks like you preheat the oven to 350. I'll go ahead and do that now. And you get a baking sheet ready. And I'm very excited. All right, so it just took me an hour to try to figure out what bowls I'm gonna use here. So, unfortunately, I wish I had 3 this size. I don't, so I'm gonna have to make a huge mess and use these gigantic bowls because you need 3 separate bowls. So let's put our cookie mix in there first. Looks like the yellow. All right, yellow cookie mix. And then a pink cookie mix. And this one would have to be the teal, which is a blue, kind of a lighter blue color. You learn something new every day. Okay, and then to each bowl we will add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And 2 tablespoons of water. All right, then you're going to mix each one of these up. Okay, so then you take a little bit of each of the dough colors and squish them together. Like this, I guess. Yeah, like that. And then you roll them into a ball. It should be about 1.5 inches. So I actually made this little thing. I just measured a piece of paper that's 1.5 inches. That's pretty close. So let's go with this. All right, so we get, looks like you should get 15 of these, give or take 5 or 10. All right, so I've got 10 right here. I'm just gonna bake those for right now. So we'll put these in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. All right. See if I know how to set this. Cook time. Let's do it for 10. All right. All right, so then with your black icing in this tube here, you're going to create stitching on the edges of the colors to make it look like Sally. I guess I should cut the tip off first. Okay, so if our tree looks a little bare, that's because we haven't put any ornaments on it yet. If you were wondering, and you probably were not. Okay, let's start. What are we talking about? Okay, we're gonna go and try these now. They look really cool. I don't know how they'll taste, but I have to admit they look fantastic. Very nice. I like the stitching effect. Looks kind of like a baseball sort of too, I guess. Okay. Here we go, I'm gonna try this. I'll try to get at least 2 of the colors. We'll go with the teal and the pink in this bite. I have to say, it's not bad. I mean, it definitely has that packaged cookie taste, which I figured it would. It'll probably turn my teeth black as well. It definitely has that packaged cookie taste, but and you know what? There's different flavors in this too. I can't really place them though, so I think the different colors are sort of flavored, maybe, you know, a little bit. Not bad, not bad. It's not. I mean, I wouldn't say it's fantastic, but if you want to make this, you know, with your kids, or if you want to make it with adults that act like kids, like myself, these are perfect. So I'll give these about maybe a 6.5, 7. So good, not great, but you know, you kind of know what you're getting with these packaged things. It's more about how it looks than how it tastes. After taking a second bite, I will say it's basically just a sugar cookie. There's no flavor in the different colors. Those are just for effect, if you will. So yeah, it's just a sugar cookie, but if you like sugar cookies, it's not the worst one you'll ever have. Not the best, but not the worst. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe, because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. You can hit the like button because it really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do, and I can attempt to do that, keyword being attempt. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.